Love it or hate it, TikTok completely changed the internet. From 15 seconds dance clips to an entire culture of viral trends, the one app ruled the world. But how did I so quickly? And why is now facing so much bans, controversies, and a possible downfall? Let's break it down simply and surely, of course. TikTok started in China in 2016 as Douyin, created by a company called BitDance. Later, BitDance launched an international version called TikTok. But the year growth hack. In 2018, TikTok merged with Musical.ly, an app already popular with teens in the United States. Suddenly, millions of young users have TikTok on their phones overnight. Its secret weapon was its algorithm. Instead of showing posts from your friends, TikTok showed you whatever kept you the hooker the longest. That's why even unknown creators could go viral instantly. TikTok was just an app. It was a dopamine machine designed to keep you scrolling for hours. In just a few years, TikTok went from zero to over 1 billion users worldwide. Celebrities, politicians, even teachers started using it. It became the birthplace of trends, memes, music, hits. If it was viral, it was on TikTok first. But with that power came problems. Government worried about data privacy, parents worried about addiction and harmful content, and creators realized that TikTok fame didn't always translate into money. Unlike YouTube, which pays well through ads, TikTok creators often struggle to earn. By 2020, cracks began to show. India, which was once TikTok's biggest market, banned the app completely, citing security concerns. The United States, well, they threatened the same. Other countries started investigating ByteDance ties to China. Meanwhile, competitors were quick to copy TikTok's formula. Instagram launched Reels, YouTube launched Shorts, even Snapchat joined in. Suddenly, TikTok wasn't the only short king. It had rivals everywhere, and it aired in all sorts, misinformation, and increasing bans. And just like that, the same app felt unstoppable. Now looks honestly pretty vulnerable. TikTok stories, a perfect modern rise and fall, lightning fast growth powered by genius technology, followed by global scrutiny, and a wave of copycats. Will TikTok survive and adapt, or will it join the graveyard of once famous apps like Vine and Orkut? Only time will tell. But one thing certain, TikTok changed how the world consumes internet forever. Entertainment.